Hey, great that you're back. Okay, I got everything installed in my car now. I got the front camera. I got the rear camera installed, but as you can see, the problem in my case, with the rear camera is that my tailgate opens up, and that way I always have this little cable loop there that I cannot hide, which is not that good looking, but it's okay. If you install the rear cam, make sure it's in the area of your windshield wiper, so that this area is always clean, and make sure that the lens does not face in the direction of the adhesive tape or of the electrostatic sticker, so that you do not have the sticker between your lens and the glass. So I put it the other way around so that it just has the glass. I don't know, you cannot see it. The sticker is so clear. But yeah, I put the cable up all the way up here along this part here. You can put it underneath with a little crowbar. You can push it underneath everything up here, and it comes out here. That's the black cable, goes into my camera. And unfortunately, the cable for the front camera was, in my case, not long enough, because it needs a long way. It goes all the way over here, down here, underneath my footroom, and then it needed to go all the way till here. And that was definitely too short, about like 50 to 70 centimeters, because I have it plugged in here, as you can see. That's a little sad, because now I have a white cable here, but yeah, it's okay. It's not that bad. One thing I'm already missing is that I cannot take a picture anymore. I was able to take a picture by voice control. Since this camera does not have voice control anymore, I cannot take a picture manually in the camera. I would love to have like the emergency recording button.
Calibration failed.
The emergency recording button, like with the double click, that I could take a photo. Right now it's not able. I can only take a photo from the app, which I think is pretty sad, because I love this function. When I was driving, I saw something beautiful or something scary or whatever, I just said, take a photo, and it took the photo. Right now I have to go into the video folders and then take a picture from there, which I think is, or a picture from the app, which I think is not so good. I'd love to have my old picture or photo function back, at least with a double click on the... Okay, now we don't have any power anymore. You can also do
the in-car charger cable.
Yeah.
As calibration starts,
So
please keep your speed at 20 kilometers per hour or higher.
Yes, later on. So you can do all the settings in the camera menu, which is great. And another thing that changes if you have the rear camera on is this little symbol here has usually the microphone button. So you can enable and disable the microphone. You cannot do this anymore from the hardware buttons when you have the rear camera on. Then you have to do it in the settings, either here or in your smartphone settings, because here now you can switch between
to rear recording,
the rear and the front view.
Switch to front road.
And if you go to the folders, you see you have a front camera folder and you have a back camera video folder. So they have two folders where the videos are stored in, which is pretty good, and which is something I really do like. So I will now try to calibrate the GPS. I will drive around a little bit. But yeah, I just want to give you a first impression. If you install it, make sure you have enough space up here to slide it in. I like this new holder way better, because it doesn't come up. In the old GPS holder, it tended to get a little loose and came up a little bit. Here it's the holder has changed. It stays in there, so that's pretty good. If you install it, make sure you install in the area where your windscreen wipers clean the windshield. And yeah, that's all for now. I will go for a ride now and take some footage so that you can see what the cam is recording. If you like the first little view, give me a thumbs up. Otherwise, I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.